Hello everybody, this is Zach King of all YouTubers, and my mother and I are going to be testing the Lightning Bolt popcorn flavor. But before the packaging comes out and the flavor of it, we're going to test out to see if popcorn tastes really good with lemon. So y'all ready? So I'll taste only one.
Yeah.
See how it tastes. There's that stuff on it, as you can tell. I didn't get it. Hold on. Oh wow! It's not bad.
Zest it up.
That's not bad. Come on over. So grab some of that right there.
What if I go like this?
Well, what do you think?
Yeah. Fresh popcorn.
So,
There you have it.
there you have it, the taste test. Now, we'll come up now the next step is to come up with the packaging of the Lightning Bolt flavor popcorn. And the salt with it is the Lightning Bolt flavor, which is the lemon salt kind. So, hopefully y'all, lemon and pepper, yes. Hopefully you all enjoy this video. Good combo. And so, that was it. We'll see you all later. My mother and I always say our most favorite quote. You ready? Reese's Pieces out.
Oh, Reese's Pieces out.
Mother, Reese's Pieces out.
Reese's Pieces out.